Welcome back. Jeff from Woodsconsin Woodworking. Yeah, today's video I'm going to do a repair on a table. We're going to repair it and then we're going to touch up all the nicks, scratches, and we are going to refinish the table. So we're going to start with the repair first. We got to cut some plywood, drill some holes, line everything up, make sure it's all going to line up. And then we'll get into doing the refinishing. So this is going to be probably a 2 or 3 part video, possibly 4, depending on how long or what I got to do to it once I really get into it. So let's get started. What I want to do is drop you guys down here. What we got to do is we get that long board here. And we got the broken one, and I want to get them off, and I want to make 2 brand new boards. And that is what holds the table. So let's zoom in a little bit. I'm going to take these apart real quick. Alright, well we have the new board here. We have the old one here. I marked the outside, the inside, and that this is the top or the upside. So when I do this, I can make 2 of them like this. And this original piece, when you flip it over, this would become the broken side. So if we would actually do this, this would now become the broken side. It's a mirrored image. So I'm just going to make 2 new ones of these. And I already know that this is 25 1/4 by 10 1/4. And it's the same thickness, so it works out just good. So well, I'm gonna have to change. I'm gonna change my blade. Alright, so now we'll take these apart. Alright, so now what we have here is when I marked it, this is the in, this is the out. This will be the out also. And when we turn this, we turn it the other way. Or we can actually just flip it. To be honest with you, we go like that. Now, these holes are on the same side, these holes are on the same side. This becomes the in, this is the up, this is the out. So when we actually do this now, back over here more. All right. We got one here. I want to make sure, so we'll work around and see what we got. This one lines up here. Okay, go in. So now I want to reach under here and tighten under here. You should be able to reach the bolts. Now, to tighten the one, we're going to tighten them all. Alright. That's it. The base with the broken parts is now fixed. So that'll be the end of part one. Stay tuned for part two. Alright, you guys take care. Jeff from Wisconsin Woodworking saying a tree's work is never done. Make some sawdust and enjoy your shop. Have a great day or a night. Take care.